How I earn passive income from YouTube. My journey. Building a successful YouTube channel that makes money without you having to do anything is not a quick way to get rich. It takes dedication, planning, and hard work every day. This essay goes into great detail about my experience, talking about the good and bad times I had and the things I learned along the way. Step 1. The beginning, picking a niche and setting up a channel. I began my journey by choosing a field that I was already familiar with and eager to learn more about. Insert your specialization here. My passion drove me to create content at first, and it helped me connect with an audience that was dedicated to it. Before I made my channel, I did a thorough analysis of keywords to find relevant search terms and topics that a lot of people were interested in, but that didn't have a lot of competition. This guided the way I planned my content from the start. Phase 2. Making content. Putting quality before quantity. I started with a clear plan for the material. Even though quantity is important, quality is more important than quantity. Making my first videos look more professional was less important to me than giving my fans useful information. I was focused on buying good equipment, like a good camera and microphone made a big difference in how good the viewing experience was. It is very important that the sound and video are very clear. Compelling storytelling. I have put my videos together in a way that keeps the audience's attention by using interesting introductions, story arcs, and clear calls to action. Keywords optimization. I made sure that all of the titles, descriptions, and tags were carefully optimized using the keywords I found during my initial research. This made it much easier for people to find my movies. Phase 3. Getting people involved to build a community. For long-term success, it's important to build a loyal community. I was actively involved with my audience by responding to comments. I made sure to answer every comment, which helped me connect with my audience. Being involved shows that you care and builds customer loyalty. I added interactive parts like questions and polls to get people involved in the community. Working with other YouTubers in my area has helped me reach more people and new audiences. Phase 4. Monetization. Looking at possible ways to make money. As soon as my channel got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of valid watch time, I joined the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. My main sources of income are AdSense is the easiest way to make money from YouTube videos by showing ads. I made my videos as interesting as possible so that ads could be placed in them and I could make the most money. Memberships in channels. When you offer memberships in channels, people who pay get access to extra content and benefits. This is a great way to make money and build a strong community at the same time. Shelf of items. I sell things that have to do with the theme of my channel. This gives my viewers another way to make money and keeps them interested. Affiliate marketing. I make money by promoting products and services that my audience is interested in and getting a cut of each sale. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable once you build up your reputation and trustworthiness. Phase 5. Growth and improvement. Ongoing improvement. My trip is still in the works. I often check YouTube analytics to see what kinds of things my viewers like. This information helps me plan my content so that I can keep making it better and change it as trends change. Learned skills and knowledge. To keep your audience interested and let YouTube's algorithm know that your channel is active, you need to stick to a regular upload schedule. Patience is a good thing. It takes time and hard work to make a successful YouTube channel. Don't let slow initial growth get you down. Being able to change is very important. The YouTube environment changes quickly from one moment to the next. Stay up to date on trends, try out new things, and be willing to change your strategy if necessary. I make a lot of money from my YouTube channel, even though I haven't reached 6 figures yet. My career on YouTube has been a great experience. It requires you to know your audience well, be willing to learn and change, and be committed to working hard on a regular basis.